At this point, I do not know what version of the Galaxy Book Pro and Pro 360 I will receive. In fact, all of us may receive a different version of the very same laptop, if we believe what Samsung's lawyers are saying. Does this mean the entire launch of the Galaxy Book Pro lineup has been cancelled?
No lame, I know I am the best around.
The second I saw the new laptop, I was like, yeah, come on, this is what we have been waiting for. Every time Samsung released a video, an unboxing video or something similar on their channel, it's like, yeah, sweet. Until I saw this. 7 seconds into the unboxing video of the Galaxy Book Pro, the first disclaimer popped up ever so slightly on the bottom, on the left-hand side, somewhere here. And you kind of think, well, okay, nothing to worry about, right? Let me read this to you. Available components may vary depending on model, country, or region. So let me get this straight. So what components will be available in what region? Will I get an adapter, no cable? Will I get a cable, no adapter? Or the other way around? Or will I get nothing in the box? But then 11 seconds into the very same video, it states adapter type may vary by region. So what kind of adapter can I expect, please? Even better, 4 seconds later. Data cable type may vary by country. And let's stop for 1 second here. So let's say you are watching 4 different reviews in 4 different continents, or from 4 different continents, because you want to kind of know what this device is about before you buy something, right? And let's assume all the statements, all the significant disclaimers that keep coming, that will come up soon, are all true. Do you see where I'm going with this? And is this just lawyers talk, or lawyers covering their backside, or is this real? 2 seconds later, it gets really personal. I took this really personal. It says color availability may vary by country. So the fact of the matter is I can only get one single color. I have only one color available in my country where I live, and that is silver. So I want the blue one. I want the navy, mystic blue, whatever it's called. I want the blue one. It's not available unless I import it with a different keyboard layout, which I don't really want to do, but that's the only option. It's almost like saying, no, not for you. You live in a wrong country. And you see, with this, I have an emotional drawback here. Let's assume the Galaxy Book Pro and Pro 360 is what we expect it to be, outstanding. And then I can only have the silver color. I'm gonna really like it. I'm gonna like working on it. I'm gonna like having it around and be with me. But I will not love it, because I will only love it when I have this color available. And I know it sounds probably shallow to some of you guys, but I also think that a lot of you guys probably want to have all the color options available to choose from. It makes sense. So what's going on? Why? So we're not even 20 seconds into the video, and this is my personal disclaimer. Listen to this. Thickness may vary depending on display size, model, graphic configuration. So far so good. And other factors. Like what? What the heck? What other factors? My surroundings? What do you mean? Is it my the way I eat? Is it the temperature in my room? What other factors can influence the thickness of the laptop I just bought? I'd love to know. The same thing comes up for weight, for the weight of this laptop, and it says weight may vary depending on display size, model, graphic configuration. So far so good. We can live with that. And other factors. What other factors will influence the weight of my laptop? I don't want a laptop with an increased weight that is influenced by some other factors that I'm unable to define. Can Samsung define the factors, please? For me, for us, pretty, please? And yes, you guessed it, it continues. Keyboard design may vary depending on model, country, or region. Kind of sounds okay, but when you think about it, you're talking about design. The importance here is the word design, not layout. There are 2 different things. Layout means it's a specific country layout for your specific country you are in. You have a specific layout for your keyboard, right? But the design should be universal. So look, there's more. There's like quick share is only available on the Galaxy Book lineup. So what does it mean? I can't have it on Galaxy Book Pro or Pro 360? We will see. It's like a little Pandora's box as of today. Let me tell you this. I don't think we will receive different items in different different countries. But I believe that Samsung's lawyers need some commercial guidance, that is for sure, for this simple reason. After seeing all these disclaimers, and some of them are really stacked up, it's even blocking your view of the device, of the laptop itself, I have 1% doubt in my mind now that something will not be right or something will be different for my future Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro 360. Nevertheless, I'm super excited, and no, the launch has not been cancelled, but I don't think Samsung's lawyers feel the same. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Whatever it was, they said I couldn't stay and I could act mad, but I start tripping back in school, okay? No lame, I know I am the best around.